Hi guys. Hi Anand.
Hi.
Uh, I'm Neil Modi. I'm presently studying in Chandigarh University.
Mm-hmm.
I'm completing my BTech.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so for UI UX and also about Figma. From 10, I might be 3 or 4, not much. Also, regarding my background, I own a company like RentPay,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm founder of that. Yeah, it's a startup. Yeah.
Got it. That's really nice. We would love to know more about RentPay throughout all this journey. Maybe we'll just take the RentPay UI and we'll able to enhance that app itself throughout this thing. We will. By the way, so how much would you rate yourself out of 10 if we'll say it in the terms of Figma?
I guess for
Got it.
like I haven't used a lot, but yeah.
Got it. Cool.
Yeah.
That is enough. Thanks, Modi.
Thank you.
Okay. Now let's jump on to maybe Piyush. Hey Piyush, hi.
Myself, Yusraj, and I'm pursuing BBA course,
Mm-hmm.
and I am going to learn the Figma.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. So you are a beginner, right?
Mhm.
You're a student, you said.
Yes.
That's cool. How much would you rate yourself out of 10 in Figma?
Right now, zero because I'm a fresher.
And do you have any past experiences in graphic designing or playing with colors? Some sort of that thing?
No, 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 nothing.
Nothing. You're totally a beginner, right?
Yes.
Got it. No worries. It's going to be a fun journey for you. Now let's jump on this Shravani maybe. Hey Shravani, hi.
Yeah, and so I have exactly 1.2 years of experience as a UI UX designer. So yeah, to upskill myself, I have joined this workshop. Thank you.
Yeah. How much would you rate yourself out of 10 in Figma?
I think 8.5. I'm quite familiar with Figma.
That's nice. That's nice. Got it. Thank you. Let's jump
Thank you.
Pallavi maybe. Hey Pallavi, hi.
Hi, sir. Hi, everyone. This is Pallavi that side. I have 2 years of experience in developer, but now I have switched to UI UX designer since my interest was in designing. So currently, I am doing an internship, which almost I have completed in 3 months, I guess. And yeah,
You said you have a pretty good experience in developing, right?
yeah, full stack developer.
Full stack developer. Wow.
Yes,
So you know all those React and Apex and everything, right?
Angular, and Java.
Angular and Java. That's nice.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun for you cause even for you, I think it's not always what we are just playing with the colors. We do understand the developer perspective, right?
Yeah, that's why it is getting difficult for me to even do an internship right now because a developer has a different thinking and UI UX has a different thing. Now we're getting to know slow as well.
Got it, got it. Okay, let's jump on the Suhas. Hey Suhas, hi.
Hi. Can you see me?
Unfortunately, we can't. We can continue as it is. No worries, that's okay.
Okay. Yeah. Because first time I have used this Google Meet. That's why. Hello everyone. My name is Suhas Gandhi, and I have total almost 8 year experience in graphic designing, graphic and visual designing. So, and I have also done one crash course in UX design, UX UI design, but I don't have experience in UX UI. I'm just started to learning in Figma course also.
Got it. You said you have a pretty good experience in graphic designing, right?
Yes. Anyway, graphic design and 2D animation.
Which all tools you were using for the graphic designing things?
For graphic designing, we have used Photoshop XD, and for 2D animation, Animates, Adobe Animates.
Got it. You have used XD.
XD for basic, just most of the time we have used Photoshop and Illustrator only.
Okay. Illustrator. How much would you rate yourself out of 10 in Illustrator?
Illustrator 6.
In Animate, how much would you rate yourself with Adobe Animate?
8.
8.
8.
That's nice. That's nice. Cool. Got it. Okay, great guys. This session, as I told you, right, it is not going to be too technical. There are two things in freelancing basically. One is you need to have your solid grasp in the freelancing thing. Other thing is understanding the market is totally different having your hands good with your skills. What will you learn in this workshop? You're gonna learn and design a micro app with a super cool animated prototype. It's going to be fun. The technique of learning tools 10 times faster. Listen, if you have a certain sort of task to do, right, anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. If you have unlimited time, complexity comes when we put restrictions on each of our step. If you have unlimited sort of resources, if you have unlimited source of time frames, anyone can do anything. But the thing is, in real life, you have a timeline which is expected you to get the things done under that frame. This is where the complication comes. So we need to do a certain task 10 times faster than others. This is where we have the chance to stand out. Understand the business impact of design. If you feel right, like this thing is looking good, so this thing should work in the market, it's not true at all. If you know about designing concepts, right, there's a thing called human psychology and the designing needs. Like suppose if more of like you have to sell this wallet, if you can see my screen, right, you will be like, okay, this wallet is nice. You're just going to tell its feature, like this wallet is nice, it's branded, it's going to have the great quality, blah, 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 to the market. There's a lot of chance like people are going to ignore this thing. You have to be creative with this thing. Creative in the sense, right? Maybe just try to show like crumble this wallet or just try to like, do some crazy experiments with this thing. People want to see funny things. People want to see something unique. It's not what we are just going to tell its users. It's more of like do something different that will attract the users. People just buy the moment. People invest in that moment, a certain frame of moment. If you want to sell anything, it's not be like you have to show them the value for a longer term. You just have to make anyone influence for a particular short frame of the time. That attention grabbing phase is what we call it as the impact of designs in the businesses. Other thing, learn smart component based UX design. Obviously, if you are a developer or like, I think Pallavi was a developer, right? Many of the tools are there where we can just directly export our Figma designs into code. It's true, we can directly export. It's a lot of ease made, I would say. We can just directly export the Figma designs into directly HTML and CSS code, right? Even I think in the Flutter codes, we can just export it. But there's a thing called auto layout. There's a thing called component-based designs. One design is, if you are going to look any of the Figma designs just on the top surface, it might look exactly same. But there's some technicalities in the Figma design. If you're designing anything, right, same web page you are designing in two certain ways. One with an auto layout, with using components. One in just a freestyle. Freestyle, developer is literally gonna abuse you. Like this is absolutely of no worth. Like, it's just a thing that might possible, like many of the things which you are designing in Figma would not be able to implement in real life. So we have to understand that perspective, like what is implementable in the developer point of view as well. So this is what we call it as learn smart component based UX design. Also, method for learning and applying theories via practice. I'm going to show you real life examples, real life hurdles, which I'm having in my real life projects, current projects, and we will just be going through all those problems, trying to get a common solutions out of it. So this is what a whole 4 weeks workshop is going to look like. And through all this heat and trial process, you guys should be able to get the grasp of all the basic fundamentals and should be enough confident in order to get your head on the first job as a professional, or at least feel like a professional UI UX designer in the market. So yes, this is what the framework is. It's going to be a fun class. This call was meant to be an intro class, and just to give you a brief, freelancing is not just be about creating an account on Fiverr, creating an account on Upwork, getting couple of deals, $5, $10. We are not talking about $5 or $10. Trust me, we are talking about like $100,000 or a big short thing. I'm not here to make you all a short-term freelancer. I'm a full-time freelancer. Sometimes even I got freaked out, right? What my future is going to be. So this all takes a lot of strategies. There was a famous quote, a freelancer's network is a net worth. That's totally true, man. So it doesn't matter like if Piyush is like 18 years old, if Suhash is like 35 years old, if I am like 25 years old, that doesn't matter at all. Everyone has their own pros, everyone has their own cons, but the only short is, right, how you're going to use your power in order to get your happy environment around you. This is what matters at all.
Yeah, this sounds good, Anand. We are already enjoying this.
Got it? Thanks, guys. So let's catch up later on. Enjoy your
Thank
weekends.
you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Cheers. Bye.
Nice talking to you, Anand.
Yeah.